everyone. My name is Katarzyna Fonseca from Nova SBE. I'm thrilled to step into the role of leading the European chapter, which plays such an important part of UNICON's global efforts. The fast-growing European group is integral to institution success, contributing to UNICON activities through its unique perspectives and collaboration. I'm excited to lead this chapter and look forward to working together to generate valuable contributions, inspire new ideas and motivate our members, strengthening the impact we can make across the region and to UNICON's community. We've had great events. I'm eager to build on that success. I will focus on boosting engagement, content and anticipating future trends in executive education from a European perspective. We will share these insights with the wider UNICON community. What makes these events so valuable is the mix of learning, networking and collaboration. Personally, I've always been inspired by the new knowledge we create together and the real-world applications. Let's keep asking new questions to prepare for the future. As for the next year, my immediate priorities are to focus on motivating other UNICON schools, members that did not yet participate in the events, and share with the board the conclusions, proposals and initiatives that might arise from our dialogues and meetings, including the invitation to other relevant European schools that we would like to include as members of UNICON. It's all about keeping the experience relevant and impactful for the entire community. I'm committed to serving UNICON and this incredible group. I will lead with an open, participative style and welcome your comments and ideas. Let's move forward with enthusiasm.